Hello, I'm Mayor Phil Good with your weekly update. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone. I hope you'll enjoy the festivities today, including the famous Whiskey Row pub crawl starting this evening. Please enjoy responsibly. There will be a DUI Saturation Patrols conducted throughout the city. So please use taxi services, Uber or Lyft, or have a designated driver. With the approaching wildfire season, we're beginning to promote fire safety efforts. The City of Prescott is offering a free brush and vegetation debris drop-off event for its residential trash customers. This event will run through the month of April every Saturday from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. at the City of Prescott Transfer Station, located at 2800 Sundog Road. Proof of City of Prescott residency in the form of a driver's license or utility bill is required. The event dates are Saturday, April 5th, Saturday, April 12th, Saturday, April 19th, Saturday, April 26th, and Saturday, May 3rd. Please do not bag the brush or vegetation debris. Do not place trash in the brush vegetation debris, and please remember to cover and contain all loads when transporting them. This is for residential customers. Commercial haulers will be required to pay the standard rate for disposing of brush and vegetation debris. Don't forget the annual Household Hazardous Waste event continues this month in the City of Prescott. This allows residents, not commercial accounts or apartment complexes, to safely dispose of unwanted household hazardous waste. Pickup dates are available through March 28th. However, you must pre-register. The last day to pre-register is this Friday, March 21st. Please check the PrescottRecycles.com website to see what is allowed and what is not allowed. All items must be placed in a box labeled HHW in front of your home 6 to 10 feet from your curb so it can be safely and easily seen by our contractor for pickup on your scheduled day. Please call PrescottRecycles.com team at 928-777-1116 if you have any questions. Asphalt paving operations along Sundog Road are set to begin on Tuesday, March 25th through Thursday, March 27th. The transfer station will be closed during this time and will reopen Friday, March 28th. Access to the Peavine Trail will be closed on Sunday, March 23rd and Tuesday, March 25th. The Yavapai County Tire Yard will be closed Tuesday, March 25th as well. Of course, this work is highly weather dependent and could experience schedule changes. We'll keep you informed on our social media channels. The removable traffic bollard installation is underway in several locations in the downtown area. A bollard is a short vertical post used to safely separate pedestrians from vehicles. The city has been using bollards on Whiskey Road during special events for several years, and they have been very effective. The installation process requires the intersections be fully closed for 24 hours a day for 8 to 10 days. The intersection of Montezuma Street and Gurley Street will be closed from March 19th through March 27th. Detour routes will be posted during the closures and clearly marked. On-street parking restrictions will also be in place during the construction. Next month, from April 14th through April 22nd, the intersection at Montezuma Street and Willis Street will be closed, and this will be the final installation. Thank you for your support and understanding so that we can ensure the public safety during the various parades and events that occur in downtown Prescott. Last week, during the council's study session, we were given a presentation about the city's Pavement Preservation Project. To sum it up, the earlier we begin work on maintaining each street, the more cost-effective it is. If we begin maintaining the street pavement early, it costs the city about $10 per square yard. It will also extend pavement life longer and reduce the cost of roadway ownership. If we wait to maintain our streets until they are in a condition between poor and fair, it costs $100 or more per square yard. And if we wait until we have to reconstruct the road entirely, we can spend about $500 per square yard. The goal of pavement management is to extend the life of existing roads in good condition for as long as possible through a variety of pavement preservation and restoration techniques. That presentation was just in time, as the fiscal year 2025 Pavement Preservation Project Schedule is set to begin this week. First project will be Gurley Street and Whipple Street. Work may occur between 6 a.m. and 8 p.m. There may be the necessity of temporary street closures, lane restrictions, reduced speeds, rough road conditions, loud noise, and flagging operations throughout the work area. We request that you avoid on-street parking if at all possible during construction, and please follow all signage and directions. We have new mission and vision statements for the City of Prescott. During the council voting meeting last week, we updated our mission and vision statements. The vision statement now reads, Prescott is a thriving and scenic community in the heart of Arizona, rooted in Western heritage and strong hometown values, where individuals, families, and businesses enjoy outdoor adventures, vibrant cultural events, a prosperous economy, and the promise of a bold tomorrow. And the new mission statement is, we enhance quality of life as stewards of our natural and built environment and through outstanding city services that engage our community, preserve our past, and ensure a safe and vibrant future. Our next City Council study sessions and voting meetings will be on Tuesday, March 25th. Other meetings this week include the Community Development Block Grant Citizens Advisory Committee meeting on Wednesday, March 19th at 1:30 p.m. in the council chambers at City Hall. The Board of Adjustment meets at 9 a.m. on Thursday, March 20th in council chambers. The Civic Enhancement Committee also meets Thursday, March 20th at 3:30 p.m. in the council chambers. The City Council Subcommittee on Appointments is seeking applications from citizens who are interested in serving on various boards, commissions, and committees. There are openings on the Building and Safety Advisory and Appeals Board, the Fire Board of Appeals, and the Workforce Housing Committee. Boards, commissions, and committees provide opportunities for citizens to take an active role in their local government, and I encourage you to consider applying. Applications are due by 5 p.m. next Friday, March 28, 2025. This is National Fix a Leak Week. Annual household water leaks cost Americans about 1 trillion gallons of water a year. It only takes a few minutes to save big money and thousands of gallons of water. The first steps are understanding your water bill and checking for leaks by reading your meter. Please check our city social media channels this week for tips and tricks on how to deal with leaks in your home. The money you save will be your own. I'm Mayor Philgood, and I'll update you again next week. Thanks so much for watching.